This is a quick video trying to find out where the intake leak's coming from on this car using this smoke leak detector that I've got. If you look right down here, I can see it, but I can't get it on film. You just see bits of smoke coming out. It's right down there where my finger is. See like that clamp and that hose? That's where it's leaking. Right there on that one. You see like this one here at this end. It's basically the same thing. The exact same thing, but it's the one that's furthest at the back that I can't really see it that well. It looks like somebody's put a cable tie on it. There. Instead of a clamp. So it's maybe had a fix in the past. So that's what's leaking. You see it just coming out right there now. Anyway, that's the leak, the intake leak. Maybe a proper hose clamp would fix it. Using this odd tool. Anyway, thanks for watching.